My name is Lieutenant Robert Repp. I'm the IM2 Division Officer, and we are responsible for the Jet Engine Test Instrumentation, or JETI system, on board the USS Gerald R Ford. Intermediate maintenance is the second tier of maintenance above or the organizational level, or what the squadrons can do, but before we send it back to the actual manufacturer itself. We're looking at test and evaluation, calibration, another more in-depth level of checking the systems, the engines, the radar systems, whatever you may have, depending on what division you come to here, to see if we can isolate and find the problem and repair it before having to send it completely off ship to an outside entity to replace. Supports the air wing by making sure they have capable aircraft at all times. Engines are critical to them being able to have up aircraft that are full mission capable and ready to perform whatever mission set the ship is set out to do. This has all been brand new to me coming back to IM2. I've never done eye level before, and I've never done, of course, this work center at eye level. And coming back and seeing the determination and the motivation of these sailors to take something that was never fully run up or operational and find the kinks and the bugs, just constant hours of troubleshooting and hard work, and just their dogged determination to get it fixed and get it ready, and then seeing the excitement and the thrill when they were finally able to see a result from all their efforts, watching the engine run up and get those results they need, and seeing that, hey, this system works, it matches what we're supposed to have, and that's a product of their tireless efforts and expertise back here.
My name is 81 Lazio. I'm 400 LPO for IM2. I'm part of AIMD that handles power plants for the squadrons. If the squadron turns in an engine, we'll do a complete major engine inspection, search for fault or any damage, any high time components, break down that engine and build it back up and bring it back out from the fantail, hook it up to JETI, Jet Engine Test Instrument System, run a test and check on the engine, op check it, make sure we sell a good engine to the customer, which would be the squadrons. So the fantail is secured during flight ops and in port. Generally flight ops end about 1 in the morning, roughly around there. So we call the OOD, request to break darkened ship Mod Z, roll the trailer out there, hook the wires up, hook the cables, run up our computers, our systems, make sure everything checks good, and then we light off, make some noise. It's probably our favorite part of the job. My guys, they spent hours tearing down, building up, training, and it's been, for lack of a better term, an epic adventure. I'm very proud to be a mech, very proud of IM2, and we are what make jets fly.